What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have no words. What I saw today, disgraceful. Disgraceful, I tell you. I mean, you see the game. I don't have anything to say because, when you come into the game, you don't expect much from Kotoko, but they still go below your expectations. Even if you don't expect it, they still make sure they disgrace you the more. Because today's performance was it's not even bad. It was disgraceful. Seriously. I mean, how would a team like Kotoko rely on only two wingers? Let me tell you, if Godfred Esiama and Emmanuel Jimfi gets injured, Asante Kotoko have no wingers. Emmanuel Jimfi, Godfred Esiama, if both of them get injured, we don't have any wingers. You see, when Godfred Esiama and Emmanuel Jimfi were taken out, the game was different. We have Osman Ibrahim playing at the wings, which I don't understand. Then we have three strikers up front. William Opoku-Mensah, Naby Keita and Osman Ibrahim. Osman Ibrahim play at the wings. Sule Muniru came on. We had, apart from the mistake he made that led to the goal, we had two opportunities to cross the ball into the box for the players to attempt heading the ball to score, but he didn't cross the ball. He was passing it. It doesn't make sense. As if he was playing against us, as if they paid him to play against us. Nothing will change at Asante Kotoko until the recruitment policy, the transfer policy, until the transfer policy is changed. We might change 3 million coaches, but if we don't change our transfer policy, how we sign players, the type of players we sign, and players we bring to the club, and players we let go out of the club, this thing won't change. How can you go out there? I can't remember how many shots we registered on target at home. I can't remember how many shots we registered on target in this game. Al Hilal didn't play anything spectacular. They defended all through. They defended. The first half, the opportunity they had to score, it was a let-off. I was expecting us to wake up, but we didn't. The midfielder will get the ball in the midfield, or the defender will get the ball, come and collect and go forward. No one is coming. The midfield is empty and all of them wants to go and score. Nobody's coming to take the ball. It doesn't make sense until our transfer policy changes. We recruit good players, transfer and everything changes. We are not going anywhere. This game, I didn't expect Kotoko to dominate this game. I was expecting maybe a slim chance, like 1-0, or we get a penalty 2-1 or something. But what they did today was very, very annoying, disgraceful. I'm telling you, I'm very angry. Today, everyone at the stadium was very angry, and they were booing the players after the game. It was a very disappointing performance, I tell you. So I don't have much to say, but the thing I've watched here, there is no way Asante Kotoko can win the Ghana Premier League this season. There is no way. If we still have this set of players and the team, there is no way we can win the Ghana Premier League this season. So that is what I have to say about the game. It was a very disappointing game, and I want you guys to know that if we don't change our transfer policy and if we don't change our recruitment policy, nothing will change at this club. We can sack 300 coaches, but if we don't change our transfer policy, nothing will change. Thank you very much. That's all I have to say.